Omaete Haron, people imagining a Janagavana to etain, and Janagavana to etain. The only reason you correct the difference, Nekere, Rotaka, Coribin to Navy, one Navy, Opera, Yoko and Nachipara, was a development, Otakakoruka, Bas Buitangare. I don't know, I'm one person in Tarikos. I'm never scared of anything. So, one of the Navy, you want to scare me by removing my roads, those things don't scare me. And even if into no enkomokani asare enkomokani ngevyo you governor to okora but one kwa ranga you tali making the sense. But I want to talk to him as a brother that we are almost in a campaign period. Governor believes that he has made enough resources and he will not listen to anyone. I want to give him an example that in 2002, not because he didn't have money, he had a finance minister by then, and I got to in 2002. Wesate como konyo nyeta gutwara bwa matuya na mwananchi. Na gutwara bwa matuya no mwananchi no gusikaba rai bali bande bachorire. I was not elected to go serve Governor Simba. I was elected to go serve abantu bas waiting, and that's why I'm making this noise I'm making here. But if there is an imagination that I should bow to into Vilindo Chibiku and Misomonto was waitangare, a king of canning a kia. Because there is no reason. Okorete contractor was waitangare, Yejipara, a contract ya kanwa, pare yetraera. There is no justification. Quarete contractor ya kore para enusu ya kanwa. There will be no justification, and you will not want me to be silent. Again to Kende, there is a road ya kaniru without it being done. I'm only doing my job no more MCA. And one thing I can promise them that I will not disappoint them. I will do my work no more MCA.